Hi guys, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia, and today we're going to run through some tips on how to make your own backyard cricket pitch. Preparing a pitch is best done in spring and summer, as mowing your grass too low when it is not actively growing is not a good idea. Varieties like Cooch or Tiff Tuff, for example, are perfect for cricket pitches as they can be mown really low and still recover. Kikuyu and Buffalo are also acceptable, however be careful when mowing buffalo lawns too low, as they don't have any rhizomes, which are the roots beneath the surface, so growing them back might be a problem. Firstly, of course, you need a location. Keep in mind where 4 runs or 6 and out will be, where it's best to bowl from and where people can watch from. Once you've picked a spot, mark the length of your pitch. If you have older kids, make the pitch as long as your yard allows. For younger kids, you may want to make your pitch a bit shorter. The best spot for a pitch is in front of a garage, a fence or a wall, so you can have an automatic wicket keeper for one-on-one games. Next, drop the height off the blades on your mower. You need to mow the pitch into the existing lawn nice and short so you'll get more bounce. Plus, it will look more like the pictures you see on TV with nice contrast to the rest of the yard. Remember though, don't mow down to dirt or you'll have a sticky wicket, dead grass. You may have to mow a few times depending on how thick your grass is. Keep your catcher on to remove your clippings so there is nothing left on the surface. If you've got the room, you can mow a strip for the boundary. Once you've removed your clippings, it's time to set up stumps. If you have wooden stumps and bales, knock them into the ground. If you have metal stumps, place them in position. Now if you want to get creative, you can go for the good old-fashioned council bin, the esky, a stack of buckets, or even get some tape and tape a set of wickets onto the fence or a wall. After this, grab some marking paint and mark the crease at either end. Mark the crease as long as the length of your bat plus its handle. Finally, you're set and ready to smash a 6 or send down a doosra. All you need now are some friends to play with. Once you've cored stumps for the day, give the pitch an aerate and a deep soaking. If it's had excessive wear, you may want to stay off it for a while. Before I go, here's a bonus tip to add some fun to your game. Wrap some electrical tape around a tennis ball like this. This causes the ball to swing a lot in the air and really keeps the batsman guessing. Happy batting and bowling. We hope to catch you next time, maybe in your drinks break. For more information or to chat about your new lawn or lawn care products, give Coolabah Turf a call on 1800 055 515 or visit coolturf.com.au.